Muthia nyumba ya bunge tawane hingurirwo muthi thutha wa waki wayo uria wambiriirie makiria ma miaka 10 mihituku kurikirira kuria riu itanyitwo kuhuthia mirutire ya wira ya bunge kuhitukira wabici ciao njeru kamiti cia gutabanagiria cikara cia undu umwe na motungata mangi maria maroka na nyumba ino. Akihingura nyumba ino mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto amigwetire ta gukorwo iri ikinya inene muno bunge tacukitie na kunyita itemi inene hari kugacirithia motungata na uruti wira wa bunge kuri muingi.
You have now no reason, forget excuse, you have no reason not to give us and the people of Kenya the best of what you can do as our legislators.
Nyumba ino yakitwo ya gorofa 26 guthie iguru na ikiro 4 guthie nathi iri na mawabici 338. Nyumba cia gutabanagiria micemanio ya kamiti cia bunge 26 hamwe na ingi ici ciothe igitanywo guteithiriria bunge kunyihia mahuthiro mayo tamariria micemanio ya wetabanagirio mikawaini.
The Budget and Appropriations Committee has had to retreat to a hotel for a period of about 2 weeks to consider the budget estimates. During that period, Your Excellency, the National Assembly has been incurring an average of 1.5 million shillings on a daily basis for the 2 weeks that the committee would retreat to a hotel either on Mombasa Road or in South Sea at the Boma Hotel.
Parliament will do its bit. Parliament will oversight your government. Parliament will appropriate resources for your government. Parliament will pass good laws to give meaning to your transformative agenda for the country, the Republic of Kenya, that you have embarked on.
There is now no more reason for extra resources to travel to hotels and to places. I don't know whether that is true. Now that we have all the facilities here, the meeting rooms, committee meeting rooms, I hope I will see a significant drop, Mr. Speaker, in the budget of Parliament.
Waki wa nyumba ino wathugundirwo mwaka-ini wa 2008 no kiambiriria gutabanio mwaka-ini wa 2014 na ihuthirite muigana wa ciringi bilioni 9 undu uria ukoretwo guciriirie mateta kuma anyiti itemi matiganite. Aingi magikwira ikoretwo ikihuthika kungumia kigina kia muingi undu uria Speaker Moses Wetangula atongoririe bunge guteaniria.
At no one time were we able to establish any form of impropriety because we were able to look at the books of accounts for the PSC. And therefore, Your Excellency, I want to allay any fears.
To allay the skeptics who have been pouring vitriol on the structure, the rejectionists, and many others who have been saying many things. This building is here. We will use it, and it will serve the purpose for which it was meant.
Thutha wa makiria ma miaka 10 na makiria ma ciringi bilioni 9 iri huthikite hari ukinyaniria wa nyumba ino, mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto mirugoritie na ritana kuria bunge akimathingata kugacirithia wira wao kuri muingi guthondeka mawatho ndomwe na kunyabara thirikari. Ngirivotara Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.